Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Jochen Ondra. I'm the product specialist for multitasking machines and lathes in Okuma Europe. Today I'm going to introduce our LB3000. The LB series is a classical lathe, but still the best seller in the Okuma portfolio. The LB series has one spindle, one turret and a tailstock as a standard. We offer various spindle sizes according to the applications you have. On the turret we can have milling and drilling tools as well as a Y-axis as an option. On the smaller models we offer a sub-spindle instead of the tailstock to do the second side operation on this sub-spindle. Our spindles are designed and equipped with bearings for a maximum lifetime. This is why we offer you a 3 years warranty without any shift limitations. Our LB series has solid box guideways in the X, Y and Z axis for maximum rigidity. This allows us to have maximum material removing rates. This machine is built according to our thermofriendly concept. This means we can keep less than 5 microns with 8-degree temperature change. The long-term stability and the accuracy of the LB series is stated from many of our customers, even after years of production. We can have special options like gear hopping, flat turning and Y-axis turning and many more as an option on our OSP controller. For hard turning we offer a special kit with double wipers, turquoise coating on the guideways to reduce the slipstick effect and also upster scales. We are always ready to specify an Okuma machine according to your needs. Please also check the other videos on our channels. If you need further information, contact me and my team under info@okuma.eu.